Hello everyone, I am Cecil Berdin from BSHM2E. The activities that I am going to do are front office walk-in reservation and telephone, arrival of the guest, check-in, departure of the guest, check-out. Good morning, Berdin Twins Hotel Reservation. This is Cecilia speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to book a room for next week.
Sure, madam. May I know which date would you like to make your reservation?
I would like to reserve a room from the 22nd until 24th of April.
What type of room do you like to reserve, ma'am?
Well, a premier room with AC and other facilities at least.
Thank you, madam. Just give me a minute. Let me check. I'm sorry to inform you, ma'am, but all our premier rooms have been booked on the 25th of April. How about a deluxe room instead? We can transfer you once there is availability.
Okay, that's fine.
Perhaps you didn't know that we have new room rates. Do you find that acceptable, ma'am?
Okay, that's fine. What's the rate for the room?
For a deluxe room, we have it at 5,899 per room per night, including taxes, with a complimentary breakfast.
That's a reasonable price.
Now, as for the room, ma'am, do you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Definitely non-smoking.
Non-smoking. Now is a queen-size bed, okay?
A queen sounds great.
Would you prefer to have a room with a view of the lake?
If the type of room is available, I would love to have a tall lake view.
Great. Would you like to confirm your reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I would like to confirm the reservation.
Okay, ma'am. Your reservation is now verified. Now, what will the reservation be listed under?
Maria Teresa Berdin.
Could you spell your first name for me, please?
Sure. Mariatheresa.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 0916497963.
Let me repeat that. 0916497963. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Okay, Miss Berdin, how will the bill be settled?
Do you accept payments via credit card?
Yes, Miss Berdin. Now, I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa. The number is 987654321.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Maria Teresa L. Berdin.
Alright, Miss Maria Teresa Berdin, your reservation has been made for the 22nd until 24th of April for a deluxe room with queen-size bed and of course with a view of the Taal Lake. Your bill will be settled via Visa amounting to 14,236 pesos. Check-in is at 12 o'clock. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to call us. Is that correct, Ms. Berdin?
That's right.
We wish to inform you about our 3 o'clock policy. Please be advised that you have to check in not later than 3 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reserves the right to give the room to waitlisted clients.
Noted. Thank you for informing me.
Is there anything I can do for you, Ms. Berdin?
No, thank you. That would be all.
Thank you for calling, Ms. Berdin. We'll see you in April 22, Ms. Berdin. Have a nice day. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Berdin Twins Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. Do you have available rooms for today?
Please hold on. Let me check first. For today, the only available is the deluxe room. And here's the rate. Would you like to take the room?
Yes.
can I request for any identification card? Okay. And then I will ask you to register in our registration form. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So that's a total of 8,500 pesos. How would you like to pay? Through credit card. Can I borrow your card, please?
Yes. Here.
Thank you. Ask again you to sign. Thanks. Here's your credit card. So here is your key card. Our porter Nicole will accompany and assist you to your room. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Berdin. We hope you will enjoy your stay with us. Please don't hesitate to call the front desk if you need further assistance. And just dial 7 for connecting to the reception.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. I have a reservation. My name is Cecil Berdin.
Can you spell that, please?
Berdin.
For 5 nights.
Yes, that's right.
Can I have your passport, please?
Just a moment. Here you are.
Can you sign here, please? Do you want a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Here's your key. It's room 425 on the 4th floor.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your bags?
No, it's okay. Thanks.
Enjoy your stay here, Miss Berdin.
Thank you.
Love is forever yours.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Can I have my bill, please? I'm checking out.
Which room is it?
Room 425.
Do you have anything from the minibar last night?
Yes, a mineral water.
Okay. Here you are. How would you like to pay?
Debit card.
Thank you. Can you sign here, please? Thank you. Would you like to call me a taxi for you?
No, thanks.
Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Have a good trip, Miss Berdin.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.